wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I am Novianti Lestari and today I will share some English sentences. We'll cover present continuous, present perfect, how to use how much and how many, comparison, and even a little market conversation. Okay, first one. This is example of sentences for activities that are currently being done. 1. I am writing a poem. The poem is titled Under the Twilight Sky. 2. I'm recording a video to complete my English achievement. 3. I am drinking warm tea. It's so relaxing. Part 2. Example of sentences for activities that have been completed. 1. I wrote a poem this morning. 2. I recorded a video for my English achievement last night. 3. I drank warm tea this afternoon. Part 3. Example of sentences for activities that have been completed. 1. This morning, I started writing a poem, and I am still writing it now. 2. Last night, I started making an English video, and I am still making it now. 3. This afternoon, I started drinking warm tea, and I am still drinking it now. Part 4. Sentences using how much and how many. How many pens do you have? I have 5 pens. How much rice do you eat every morning? I eat 1 scoop of rice every morning. How many chilies do you put in that sambal? I put 15 chilies in that sambal. Next, comparative and superlative sentences. Amina is 24 years old. Sulastri is 20 years old. And Dodi is 30 years old. Comparative. Dodi is older than Amina, and Sulastri is younger than Amina. 2. Superlative. Sulastri is the youngest of the three. Okay, the last. This is a dialogue in a traditional market. Excuse me, how much is cooking oil right now? Cooking oil is 20,000 rupiah per liter now. How many liters of packaged oil are there in one box? There are 6 liters of packaged oil in this box. Can you give me a discount if I buy 1 box or 6 liters of packaged oil? Of course, I'll give you a discount. You only need to buy 110,000 rupiah for 6 liters of packaged oil. Thank you very much. You're welcome. That's all I can present to fulfill my English achievement. I apologize if there are many mistakes, and thank you so much for your attention and for watching this video. Goodbye.